Okay guys, so ready to post it at YouTube or Facebook at Messenger. We touch on the final coating. Sometimes the customer are sensitive, sometimes they're not. Only asking a discount, so small matter. I give it already just to timing, just dispose lots of project. So that's the fun here, how to communicate them to give you a chance to make discount. So small matter for me. It happens like that. It's not a big issue for me. Okay. So only retouch for final coating before we seal it now. Additional photos in here. So that's it for now until we dry this masterpiece of mine. Is the work of art. Okay, so guys, ready to post it in online. Okay. Money. The finishing touch. If you want business without investment, this is what I recommend to you. If you know painting, if you know fixing woodcraft, this is how to make money in summertime in online. No boss, no time needs. Okay, so that's all guys. Before I send it again, another photos for Messenger for what's that? The garage. Just retouching only. Final coating. A little bit faded because of we only save our paint. Okay, this is a tutorial how to paint, how to save your money, how to dispose your unnecessary stuff in the house like this, to make money, repair and paint, then sell it. Okay. Subscribe and click the notification bell for the latest video for this week. So just click the button, the notification bell, and subscribe. Okay, see you guys.
This is Tracy from Amsterdam Public Library. Library. Join us for
this
after-school
video
adventures on select
about
Thursdays
how
at
to
4:30
save
p.m.
your money
Registration
and
is required.
tutorial
Please call
to make money on the garage.
306-636-1620
This
to register or for more